If you can't comment on any YouTube video, all right, or you can't see any comment on it, this video is a fix to that. First is to get to your YouTube app and tap on it. Look at mine here. The next step you need to take is to tap on your profile icon. It may be at the top or it may be at the bottom. So here mine is at the bottom. I'll tap on it. Then on tapping on that, tap on view channel. Once you're taken to this page, the next step you need to take is to tap on the three dots at the top right. Then select settings. On selecting settings, you'll be taken to the page that looks like this. Tap on general. Then on this general page, if the restricted mode is toggled on, please toggle it off. Here it is toggled off, okay, meaning that I can comment. But if you have yours like this, it's showing blue, that means you can't comment on any video. It's active, but please let me toggle it off. And with this I can comment on any video. So what you need to do is to get back, if you get back to that video, you will not be able to comment. But if you close your YouTube app, all right, then open it again and get to that video, you'll start watching. All right, so when you start watching, you'll be able to comment on it. And for you to get to that video again, tap on your profile icon, then you will see the videos you recently watched here. Okay, so just tap on it, it will be the first on the list. Or if after doing all this and it doesn't work, all right, that means the owner of that YouTube channel turn the comment off, okay, meaning that nobody can comment on that video. If this helps, consider subscribing to this channel, hit the like button and leave a comment. Thank you and see you some other time.